I work at the Press Museum. It is located in Jimbolia, which is placed approximately 40 kilometers away from Timișoara in the western part of Romania. I'm the only employee of the museum, so I am in charge of everything that is needed to be done.
I work in a local museum. I am curator there, but we are quite a small museum, so I work as a classic curator, as educator, a lot of different jobs.
I work at the Cultural House of Jimbolia. My role is the director of the Cultural House. The Cultural House is actually tutoring some micro-museums from the place. My role is to help people understand the values that they have in the place where they are living, and to consolidate their own identity.
So the Press Museum has in its collection a lot of newspapers and magazines. These newspapers and magazines are from Romania, but also from abroad.
Primarily it's a museum of naive art, but we deal with different moments of history of our community. The building where museum is today, before the war, it was family house of one Jewish family. Unfortunately, they were killed in Holocaust. So that's our direct connection to Jewish community in our town.
Museum educators have a very important role because of their unique place, a spiritual room full of knowledge, and also they have the possibility to make this knowledge accessible for children and for young people.
First of all, they are the ones who can present the collection of the museum or the most important characteristics. The museum educators can help them with the research and with the developing of their project.
I would like to say that museums are keepers of knowledge. Maybe bearers of that knowledge to masses, to the people, primarily to youth.
I think that the main challenges that museums face when working with youth can be that they don't have a direct relationship with them. So they need to go through teachers or with schools, and after that they are starting to build a relationship with youth. They really don't know their audience, so they don't know what the youth are interested in, what they want to discover, and how should they address them.
Until now we didn't find that sparks that attract young person to history. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think the youth, one side, they are not interested in that topics enough, and on the other side, I think they do not express their feelings. So it's two major problems how to engage youth in dealing with Holocaust, killing people, human rights, and all kinds of similar subjects.
When a worker at the museum has to talk with a whole group, he has to keep in mind that every child can receive the information in a different way, or every child needs a different method for him to understand the information and to assimilate it. I think this is the biggest challenge because, yes, if the child leaves without assimilating the information, or at least part of it, or without the spiritual resonance between the information and his soul, then mission failed.